www.ShifaAli.com.
Today we will talk about reasons for miscarriage in early pregnancy. A miscarriage, also termed as spontaneous abortion, is a condition where women lose their pregnancy within 20 weeks of conceiving it. Statistically, experts believe that about 30 to 40% of pregnancies end up in a miscarriage, with many women not even knowing about the pregnancy or the miscarriage at all. It is a mental and physical pain all women can be without. There are many different reasons for miscarriage. Medical science explains it in its own way, and spiritual diagnosis tells the spiritual side of the story. Most common causes of miscarriage. There have been many conditions and disorders associated with miscarriage. Some most common reasons for miscarriage in early pregnancy are chromosomal problems. A sperm and egg bring 23 chromosomes together to, during a fertilization or pregnancy, conceive. 23 perfectly matched pairs of chromosomes are created. Even a minute natural glitch in any of the pairs can cause a chromosomal problem and end up in a painful miscarriage. This is actually one of the most common reasons for miscarriage today. Hormone imbalance. No less than 15% of all miscarriages are attributed to hormone imbalance. Women can easily go through a hormone imbalance, making for one of the biggest reasons for miscarriage. Uterine problems. One of the most complex reasons for miscarriage is a uterine problem. Uterine fibroids inside the uterus can sometimes interfere with implantation of blood supply to the fetus. This ends up contributing heavily to a miscarriage. Chronic illness and high fever. One of the major reasons for miscarriage is chronic illness. 6 to 10% women experience chronic illness or high fever as one of the causes of miscarriage. Heart problems, lupus, autoimmune disorders, diabetes, and regular body temperature over 102 degrees can cause a rather painful miscarriage. Black magic from someone. Even though medical science would love to rule out black magic and other forms of magic from the equation, it is yet one of the real reasons for miscarriage in all of the above-mentioned conditions. Anyone hating on you can take this route and damage you from within. A spiritual diagnosis is in order for any black magic-related problems. Some other reasons for miscarriage include excessive drug use, excessive drinking and smoking, Listeria, that is a bacteria found in undercooked meats, raw eggs and unpasteurized dairy products, some specific forms of medication, mental trauma such as a car accident, and some others. Spiritual diagnosis from an authentic healer should be able to tell you the exact reasons or causes of it. Most common miscarriage symptoms. It may be easy to spot early miscarriage symptoms when you know what they are. Here are some of the most common symptoms that may become one of the reasons for miscarriage. Early spotting in a pregnancy. Mild to severe cramps, back pain or abdomen pain, nausea or excessive vomiting, white-pink mucus, passing of clot-like tissue materials. Whenever you experience any of these, an authentic spiritual diagnosis can be the thing you are looking for. Spiritual care plan options include regular checkups in the spiritual way. Can you stop a miscarriage? In medical science, it may be impossible to stop a miscarriage once it starts. But with authentic spiritual diagnosis, you can be able to stop it right in its tracks. You will need high-quality spiritual diagnosis nursing in order to get out of your black magic or any other false intentions caused miscarriages. Treatments of miscarriage. Once you are familiar with the many reasons for miscarriage, you can move towards treating it right from the start. When you get authentic and perfect forms of spiritual diagnosis from an authentic service provider, you will always get a real treatment for miscarriage. Staying away from evil things such as drinking, This way, you will eliminate many reasons for miscarriage that you don't even know about. Where to find spiritual healers? When looking for best spiritual diagnosis and treatment for your miscarriage, you should be able to find a proper spiritual diagnosis service provider online these days as well. Gone are the days when you needed to travel great distances in order to find real reasons for miscarriage from spiritual healers. Today, with an authentic spiritual diagnosis service provider, you can root this problem out successfully and live healthy lives leading to proper conceiving of pregnancies and happy outcomes.